glowing star, exploring Christ the Redeemer, a symbol of faith and unity. Glowing star, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're embarking on a breathtaking journey to one of the world's most iconic landmarks, Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The history behind Christ the Redeemer. In this section, we delve into the fascinating history of Christ the Redeemer. Constructed between 1922 and 1931, this statue was designed by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa. Originally envisioned to commemorate Brazil's independence and promote peace, it has grown into a universal symbol of Christianity and compassion. Architectural marvel will explore the architectural brilliance of Christ the Redeemer. Standing 98 feet tall with an arm span of 92 feet, it was made from reinforced concrete and covered in thousands of soapstone tiles, giving it a unique texture and appearance. I'll share insights into the engineering challenges faced during its construction and how it has withstood the test of time and weather. Cultural significance. In this video, we'll also discuss the cultural significance of Christ the Redeemer to the people of Brazil and beyond. The statue represents more than just a religious figure, it embodies the Brazilian spirit, showcasing a blend of faith, resilience, and unity. Stunning views and visitor experience. Prepare to be captivated by the stunning panoramic views from the top of Corcovado Mountain. I'll take you along the journey to the summit, showcasing the lush Tijuca National Park and the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro below. I'll share tips on how to make the most of your visit, including the best times to go, how to navigate transportation, and what to expect at the site. A symbol of hope and peace. As we reflect on the message of Christ the Redeemer, we'll discuss its role as a beacon of hope and peace in a world that often feels divided. The statue welcomes millions of visitors each year, inviting them to embrace love, acceptance, and understanding, regardless of their background or beliefs. Personal reflections. Throughout this video, I'll share my personal reflections and experiences during my visit to Christ the Redeemer. From the awe-inspiring moment of seeing the statue up close to the peaceful ambience surrounding it, I'll recount how it felt to stand in the presence of such a monumental figure and what it means to people around the world. Conclusion. Join me as we celebrate this incredible landmark and the values it represents. Whether you're planning a trip to Rio or simply curious about one of the new 7 wonders of the world, this video will provide a comprehensive look at Christ the Redeemer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What does Christ the Redeemer mean to you? Have you visited, or is it on your travel bucket list? Let's connect and share our experience.